Euclid's Elements, Book 1, Prop 46. On a given straight line to describe a square. So we have a given straight line, AB, and our job is to construct on this a square. So let's keep track of how we're going to do this. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to, at a point A, we're going to construct a line perpendicular to our given line. We'll call this line C. So Prop 11 allows us to make AC perpendicular to AB. And then we're going to use Prop 3, which allows us to cut off from a longer line a section equal to a shorter. So we're going to cut off AC, a piece DAD that is equal to AB. So this will be equal to this. Then, using Prop 31, at point D, we're going to draw a line parallel to AB. So we're going to make DE parallel to AB. And likewise, at point B, we can draw a line parallel to a given straight line. So we'll make BE. It's going to actually end up here, BE parallel to AD. Again, Prop 31. Okay, and we'll call that point of intersection E. Now, we know, so if this is parallel to this, and this is parallel to this, then we have, by definition here, we have a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral made up of two sets of parallel sides. The opposite sides are parallel. So we have a parallelogram, ABED. And we know if we have a parallelogram, then according to Prop 34, all the opposite sides and angles are equal. So this opposite side is equal to AB, so we have DE equal to AB. And we have side EB equal to AD. And since these are already shown to be equal to each other, we now have all four sides of our triangle equal. So all four sides are equal. Now we just have to demonstrate that all four angles are right angles, because the definition of a square is of quadrilateral with four equal sides and four equal angles. So now we're going to look at our parallelogram, and using Prop 29, we see that we have two parallel lines and a line falling on them. We know that this was already made perpendicular. So we have two parallel lines with the line falling on them. It makes the same side interior angles equal to two right angles. So this angle plus this angle equal two right angles. So we'll call this angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal two right angles. But this is already one right angle. So if we removed a right angle from this, let's remove number 1 minus angle 1, and let's remove a right angle, then we have angle 2 must equal one right angle. Therefore, this is a right angle as well. And now all we have to do is go back to Prop 34 that says in parallelogramic areas the opposite sides and angles are equal to each other. So that means the angle opposite A, namely angle E, is equal to A, and the angle opposite over here is equal, so angle 3, so angle 1 is equal to angle 3, and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Thus, they're all equal to each other. Therefore, we have all four right angles. Therefore, we have constructed on a given straight line, AB, a square, a figure with four equal sides and four equal angles. And since that's what we were supposed to do, we conclude, with QEF.